Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in this Tinkershop tutorial, we're going to learn how to organize our projects in Cricut Design Space. So there's a way that you can do that using the Collections feature. So let's get started. I'm just going to click on View All My Projects. You're going to notice the work plane's changed a little bit, but here you can add collections. So for instance, if I wanted to do one just on mugs, I'm going to click New. I'm going to put in Mug Designs. I'm going to have a little folder there. Now, you can either go through your projects, kind of scrolling and hitting the three dots, or you can go to organize and you can kind of click on them a little bit easier. This one, it'll be like just like selecting an image. And I'm going to hit next, and then it's going to ask me, so where do I want to save my designs? And I'm going to click on Mug Designs, hit done. And now you can see there's 3 designs in there. So if I just click on that one, you can see all the designs now that we saved. So this is a great way of like saving your projects, or if you're doing heat transfer or vinyl, whatever the decals may be, you can now section them in collections. But you can also go to new and you can create a new project if you wanted to. So for instance, let's just find a quick image, insert, and when I go to save, now it's going to change a little bit. Now you have the option below where you can add collections. Now you can either save it to already a collection you've created, or you can hit new and you can create a new one and it should pop up. That's one way to stay organized, and that's this week's tips and tricks on how to organize all your designs in Cricut Design Space using the collections feature. Once again, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Take care.